What's going on, folks? I'm about to show you how to change out your brakes on a 2007 a Saturn Aurora. All you gotta do on these is basically take off your bottom screw that's on the bottom of your caliper, and once you do that, you just flip. This one can actually just flip up because you have enough brake line just to flip it up, just like that. And once you do that, just pull the brake pad out like that. So that's all you gotta do. And then of course you want to pull the other one out the same way. And on this one you may want to also push your caliper back in, which I have another video up showing you how to push your caliper back in. But once you got that done, you take your new brake pads, slide it in from the bottom first, and then just snap it against your actual rotor itself. And once you do that, you just drop your caliper back down, and then take your screw and basically stick your screw back in, and you'll be done pretty much. And what you're gonna need to do this one takes a size 14. So a size 14 is what you'll need to change out your brake pads on a 2007 Saturn Aurora. All right, thanks a lot.